Good fish sticks. Good flash. Yeah.
This month, check out these independent films on demand.
Oh, I turned on Elmo.
Merry Gentlemen.
I hear Elmo.
Franklin. The Narrows.
I heard. Bye-bye. Yeah. Oh.
What are you eating?
Fish sticks. Green beans? Where are your green beans? Good girl. Good girl. What about your french fries? Yeah, french fries. Do you like french fries? You do. You haven't eaten any. And bread. Yeah, that's mommy's bread. Yeah. Victoria, what's in your cup? Cup. Is it juice? Is that juice or water? It's water? Oh, okay. Kind of like yellow water. You finished? Oh, why don't you take some bites of green beans? Can you take some bites of your green beans? Maybe you can use your fork. Yeah. In the background.
Turn down. I'm about to run out of time anyway. That's okay.